everybody, welcome back to Bluegrass Homestead. This is Jessica, and today we want to unbox our new Stark Brothers shipment that just came in. We're super excited. For a long time we've really wanted to be able to put it in order to Stark Brothers because we know they have quality, good plants, and the shipping and packaging is supposed to be top notch. So here's our Stark Brothers box. I got it yesterday. It was a little cold though, so I didn't want to take the plants out, so we waited till today, and it's nice and sunny, so we should be good. So get your Stark Brothers box opened up, and already you can tell there's moisture inside the box. The plants are nice and happy, very happy, very happy. We got the Stark Brothers booklet on everything you need to read first before you start to plant. I know that you need to give your plants a chance to kind of acclimate before you just plant them right away. But thankfully we know pretty much where we want to put our trees this year. So, alrighty, go ahead and get the first one out. So pretty. Right. And here we have the Bartlett Pear, and it's a semi-dwarf, and these are bare root. So I want to be really gentle with it, okay? Now, the pears and the apples we chose are not self-pollinating, so you have to get another apple or another pear to go with it. And with all the bees we have and other wildlife, pollinating should be really good this year. So we'll get these planted. So this is the Bartlett Pear semi-dwarf. Okay. Got a lot of wet paper in here that keeps them happy and moist. Okay. Now besides trees, we also got some Muscadine grapes. Now our zone is 6B, so we couldn't pick just any of them. But the Nesbitt Muscadine grape is okay for our zone. So we have a grape right here. Nesbitt Muscadine. Here is another one. And this is nice. These are still wet. Looks good. So a Nesbitt Muscadine grape. We should have 2 more. Okay. So we have 4 Muscadine grapes. Oh, no, 5. Pardon me, 5. And actually, one of the ideas we had was to plant these and give them a support structure and put them kind of as a weather wall where our bees are. And they'll be happy to pollinate them, and the grapes will grow, the bees will grow, everything will be happy. Okay, so we've got another tree in here. These are all bare root. Which means we didn't get it in the easy plant bucket. But that's great. And I know that Stark Brothers has all the trees professionally pruned before you get them. So they've already been taken care of, so you get maximum growth and the best potential. Because if there's too much going on, the plant is putting all of its energy into new growth and not fortifying itself, and so we want to plant it in the soil. We want it to be strong before we bear fruit, because we're going to have to wait for the fruit. So this is our Moonglow Pear. This is the Moonglow Pear. These are nice. These are really nice. Super excited. Okay, and we should have 2 apples. Oh, it's already got little growth on it. Okay, so we have the Honeycrisp Apple dwarf. We can't get the big full-size trees, but the dwarfs will be great out here. They still bear a lot of fruit, so there we go. There's the Honeycrisp Apple dwarf. And last one. Alright. It's the Buckeye Gala apple. I like the root on that too. That's strong looking. Now, none of this was sponsored by Stark Brothers. We just really love Stark Brothers, and we've been wanting to get something from them, and we're excited. And honestly, I thought making a video, Stark Brothers is probably one of the companies that I'm almost 100% sure I can do a unboxing with no editing and everything will be great. If you are looking to start an orchard or grow some plants in your yard that bear fruit, great for pollinators, great for your family, I really highly advise you to go with Stark Brothers. Stark Brothers does offer deals on shipping. For example, ours was shipped free because if you reach a certain amount that you buy, you can get free shipping. I know the other day they had a $5.55 flat rate shipping. So check with Stark Brothers and see what they've got going on. And if you've not been sure if you could invest, maybe now's the time for you guys to start investing. Always check too when you're ordering your trees if you're wanting apples or pears or um, most of the trees, because they also have grapes and berries and things like that. But when you check for your trees, you really need to make sure on the right side, sorry, it's over here for you, on the right side, kind of near the bottom, it'll say whether it's self-pollinated or not. You click that button and it'll give you a list of options, because if your tree is planted alone, if you just have one apple or one pear, they're not going to bear any fruit. They need pollinators. So you might have to get 2 of each minimum. But right now, I think is a great time to get it done. As most gardeners would tell you, the best time to have planted your orchard and the best time to get your garden in was yesterday. So you guys check out Stark Brothers. I highly recommend them. I think they're an excellent company. They treat their customers very well. And I think you'll really like it and you'll enjoy it. And you get an orchard in a box, which is pretty darn neat. So thank you guys for watching. Check back with Bluegrass Homestead. We'll have more videos coming up shortly. We've got new baby chicks hatching out, homegrown chicks. We have a whole incubator full of lavenders that are hatching out right now. So please check us out on Facebook and on Instagram. And if you go to goingoffgrid.shop, that's our store. It helps support our family. Please get involved locally with your farmers market. Get involved locally with your farmers and gardeners and the nurseries. Meet some people, ask questions, and get growing. Okay, guys? So thank you so much for watching. Bye.